Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set face lock on lock screen. Friends, you want to set face lock, you want to unlock your phone to show your face. So how to set and how to use face lock setting today we will talk about. So open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Poco mobile. Friends, click on Poco phone password and security, and friends click on face unlock. And once you have any pin password, you have any pattern, so enter your pin. And once you don't have, so then first you will have to set. So guys, now we will talk about one by one and step by step. So friends, I will remove screen lock. After remove friends, click on phone password setting. Friends, you can see face lock. If we click on face lock, so guys, we will have to set first lock screen pattern, pin and password you will have to set. So friends, I will use pattern lock. And friends, you can see notification, remember your screen lock. If you forget your password, you will have to reset, you will have to resolve data on your device including your photos, contact. So friends, set pattern. So friends, I will use this pattern, same pattern friends, again draw and confirm, and guys wait here, start. And after 5 seconds friends, you can set face lock on your lock screen. Next option, then show your face. After show face friends, you can see done option, click here, when face lock will set on your Poco phone device and you can use your face lock on your device. And once you want to add one more face lock friends, you want to use two face lock on your device, so you can add guys one more face data. So I show another face here, face your brother, your friends. You can set your friend face lock, your brother face lock. Is next option, show new face. Friends, after show face friends, you can see face 2 and done. So friends, you can check we have two face lock on Poco phone device. And guys, third friends, you cannot add friends. First you will have to remove one face lock, then friends you can change your face lock. So guys, lock your screen, and friends you want to unlock your phone, so friends you can unlock. Friends, show your face on lock screen, your phone unlock automatic. And friends, you can unlock your phone after draw your pattern, also draw your pattern. So like that friends, we can set face lock on Poco phone device and we can use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.